welcome back on my channel. Last episode we started the construction of this K-500 Micro from Mini Werft, and this is how far we got. So today we're gonna continue gluing in some support structures, and yeah, let's get to work. Now that was tricky. I hope you can see it in this perspective, but the dashboard is actually floating in the air, only supported by these two beams. And it was a bit difficult to align all these parts, and it's quite fragile also. I hope it holds. We are now ready to install the side panels of the hull. I've already prepared the first one, and as we have quite the bend, I will have to taper the bulkheads a little bit just to make sure that we have a perfect fit. And I also think it's not a bad idea to pre-bend them over some steam. The side panels are in, and we are now ready to install the first pieces of the deck. Well, that was quite a challenge, but I think it didn't turn out too bad. I already love the lines of this model. I think it's very sleek, very elegant. Let's see how things evolve. I will leave that to dry for the moment, and this means we've reached the end of today's episode. I hope you had fun watching it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I say thank you and see you next time.